wiki.easybid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Easybib presents the 10 best wearing blenders. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you won't be making extensive use of it on a daily basis, the Po5 Professional may be the simple solution you need. In addition to its classy appearance, at under $100, it's about the least expensive one they make. It comes with a flashy chrome body and stands about 16 inches high. However, despite the name, it's not for heavy-duty or full-time use. At number 9, if you've hundreds of guests to serve on a daily basis, the CB15V1 Gallon will let you puree, liquefy, and emulsify gigantic batches of food. It's especially easy to use with a simple variable control knob, though it does tend to sound a bit like a jet engine. The blade spins at up to 18,000 RPM, and it's an incredibly heavy construction, but it is among the most costly choices. Coming in at number 8 in our list. When you don't have much space but still need a reliable way to make hurricanes, the B155S bar may be the straightforward choice for you. It's not the very largest, but its single stainless steel toggle switch helps make short work of drink orders. It's equipped with a stain-proof metal container and is a relatively low-priced option. However, it's unsuited to ultra-high volume use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybid.com. Go there now and search for wearing blenders, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, definitely one of the most fun pieces of equipment you'll encounter in the high-volume culinary field. The big Stix is a monstrous immersion-type device. Few handheld machines on Earth can make hollandaise sauce in larger batches than this behemoth. It's available in 10-gallon to 50-gallon sizes, and the shaft attaches easily for cleaning, but it is quite heavyweight. Moving up our list to number 6. While many such high-performance models are absurdly loud, the MX-1500 XTX Commercial uses a thick polymer enclosure to mitigate its ear-splitting sounds. It features programmable timers and speeds, making for easy one-touch operation in retail settings. This one's ideal for coffee shops and is one of the most powerful available. However, it comes in at an extremely high price. Halfway up our list at number 5. Updated for an improved lifespan, the torq 2.0 delivers plenty of power for nearly any job, whether in a residential or commercial setting. Its durable steel drive coupling moves the blade at up to an impressive 24,000 RPM. This one's relatively easy to service and features a professional fit and finish and reliable and sanitary switches. At number 4, those in need of a powerful unit for full-time bartending should consider the Blade BB320S, which boasts a relatively simple operation. This particular model sports a stainless steel container that won't fall prey to unsightly scratches or stains. It offers high and low speed settings, a one-button pulse function, and an above-average duty cycle. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you're in search of a super strong and long-lasting option that can stand up to full-time use, the Xtreme MX1000 may be a great investment. It packs a top-of-the-line 3.5 horsepower motor, and it's barely half the price of competing commercial models from other brands. This one has a capacity of 64 fluid ounces and a sharp and aggressive steel blade. It's made with BPA-free plastics. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybid.com. Go there now and search for wearing blenders, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Quick Stick Light Duty is designed to go into the food you're preparing, as opposed to the other way around. This 7-inch long handheld model is perfect for meals feeding just a few people, and you'll be impressed by how many uses it really has. It's ideal for making emulsions and equipped with a 2-speed thumb-operated motor. It's lightweight and comfortable to hold. And coming in at number 1 on our list, boasting a 1500-watt motor that puts out up to 2 horsepower, the Blade KB500 can help tackle a huge variety of tasks, from salad dressings to mixed drinks and more. Not only powerful and effective, it also looks quite stylish on any countertop. It comes with a stainless steel drive coupling and a fully variable speed motor. It outperforms many more costly options. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybid.com. Go there now and search for wearing blenders, or simply click beneath this video.